So here's how to connect Coinbase Wallet to Coinbase. So first you want to download the Coinbase Wallet separately and then open it, which is this one. Now once it loads up, you want to click on the settings icon on the top right and then scroll down and click connect to Coinbase and then click buy or transfer with Coinbase. Now you'll be prompted to your Coinbase wallet to authorize. So click on authorize and make sure you also have the Coinbase app installed on your phone. Now if you have the app already, the Coinbase app, and you're logged into your account, you can click on add crypto with Coinbase on ramp. So you can receive crypto or transfer crypto from Coinbase. So I'm gonna click on transfer from Coinbase. Now, if that feature is supported for your country, you should be able to transfer any coin that you have on your Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet. So, for example, if you have Bitcoin or any other token, you can click on that asset you have, and then you want to click on send and simply specify the amount that you want to send from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet. And that should transfer the asset or the Bitcoin to your wallet. You can also buy other assets using your card or your bank account linked to your Coinbase. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.